Hola, ¿cómo están? Bienvenidos a la clase de español del día de hoy. Bueno, vamos a empezar. ¿Qué nos dice este meme? Cuando finalmente pronuncio una palabra en español. Well, go ahead and tell me in the warm-up, see what you think it means. Alright, for some of you, hoy es miércoles el 3 de marzo, and for some of you, hoy es um, jueves el 4 de marzo. Para empezar, escribe las siguientes palabras en español. So write with me, sad, sick, a lot, every day. Write those words in Spanish, put it on your notes. Alright, so today we're going to work with ir a, y plus a plus infinitive, or cómo se usa. Right, so we have used this many times before, but we're going to continue because it's a very important part. So, let's talk about this for a second. So, the verbo ir, so we know that is yo voy, tú vas, usted, él, ella va, nosotros vamos, and ustedes van. It's very important that you remember this conjugation because we use this a lot for this process. So if you don't have it, put on your notes, but you need to start working on memorizing this part, okay? So we've already talked about ir plus a plus infinitive, right? One is a way to express future actions is to use ir plus a plus infinitive. Conjugate the verb ir in the present tense. So we're still conjugating the present, don't worry about conjugating in the future tense. So, for example, voy a ver el partido de baloncesto mañana. That means I am going to watch the basketball game tomorrow. So notice we have ir plus a plus an infinitive, right? So voy is ir, then we add the a, and then we have the verb to watch, but it's in the infinitive. We know that because it ends in er. ¿Vas a estudiar el español el próximo semestre? So that's a question, but we still use the same process, right? So we use the form to. So are you plus a estudiar? So that's in the infinitive. It ends in ar. Are you going to study el español el próximo semestre? You're going to study Spanish the next semester. La autora va a publicar su nuevo libro el año que viene. So la autora is our subject, so we know it's a she, right? Because it ends in an A. So va is ir in the ella form, plus a, and then we have publicar, which is to publish, in the infinitive. Su nuevo libro el año que viene, her new book next year. Use of ir plus a plus infinitive. We use it to express an intent, future action, or to describe the future. The verb may be conjugated in the imperfect to express future events or actions when narrated in the past. This is commonly used in spoken language. Ejemplo. Íbamos. So íbamos is the verb in the past tense, in the imperfect. Íbamos a asistir la clase de perros perdidos, el autobús. We are going to attend the class, but we missed the bus. So, keep that in mind. So now let's practice what we are saying. So, practica ir plus a plus infinitive. So, go ahead and fill in these blanks, right? Fill it with the verb ir in the correct form, right? So the first one will be yo voy plus a, the a is already provided, plus an infinitive. Yo voy a ir a la clase de matemáticas. But, you know, you can say yo voy a estudiar a la clase de matemáticas. There are different verbs that you could use on that, but remember they must be in the infinitive. So it has to end in ar, er, ir. Write this in Spanish. So I am going to the mall tonight. So you can say voy a ir, right? I'm going to go al centro comercial esta noche. So do this on your own. Put on your notes. So more practice. So tell us what you typically do using ir plus a plus an infinitive. Write at least 10 sentences. So I gave you some examples here. Right? Voy a correr todas las mañanas. Voy a trabajar en la escuela. Right? So the verb ir plus a and then an infinitive verb. Notice all these verbs ending er, ir, or ar, right? All right. So let's work on it some more. Tell us what your family will do this week using it plus a plus the infinitive, at least 10 sentences. What is your family going to do this week? So here we put some examples. Mi hija, so I'm going to use the ella for ir, so ella va, right? Mi hija va plus a plus the infinitive ir a la escuela. So she is going to school. Mi madre va a ir a la iglesia el domingo. My mother is going to go to church on Sunday. So va plus a plus an infinitive, in this case is ir. Nosotros vamos a comer la cena en la mesa. We are going to eat dinner at the table. So we use the vamos for nosotros, right, as a form of ir, plus a plus an infinitive, comer. Mi esposa y mi hija van a ir de compras al centro comercial. So my wife and my daughter are going, right? So I'm going to use ellas, so van, plus a plus ir. They are going to go shopping to the mall. All right, I look forward to reading yours. I will not put a passcode for the DOL as it seems to be causing you all some problems, and I'm not at school because I'm on quarantine. So to make it easier on everybody, I am not going to do it, but don't get used to it. I will put them in future ones. Well, have a great rest of your day.